Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. On today's video, I will show you how to set photos to private on your OPPO phone. So to do this, you just need to go to your files. After that, go to your photos. Choose the photo that you want to set as private. For example, I will choose this picture. Just long press on it. And if you want to move more than one picture, you can press on the other picture too. And after that, go to the three dots on the bottom of the screen and click on More. And as you can see here, there is an option called Set as Private. You just need to click on it. And as you can see, it's added to Private Safe. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also to like this video, and see you in the next one.